Hi guys, I'm Chris and this is Brew Better. The Catimor varietal is a hybrid of Caturra, which is Arabica, at the same time Timor, which is a Robusta. Catimor is a very popular varietal compared to other varieties because it yields more. At the same time, it is rust resistant and it is also well adapted in the Philippines environment or terroir. Catimor thrives well in Finca De Garces high elevation farm with a unique microclimate. While Catimor is typically categorized as a low sensory coffee because of its Robusta characteristics, Finca De Garces was also able to score a high score, which is 87.1 for their lot with the same varietal, providing with a unique technique and processes that can elevate the cup quality of a Catimor. These feat alone makes Finca De Garces such a remarkable farm. The combination of lush microclimate and the dedication of their producers that can transform even Catimor varietal will reach such pristine standards. Now it's done, let's assess. For the aroma, it has a very distinct nutty and chocolatey aroma to it, which is very, very pleasant to the nose. Okay, let's try first sip. And first sip, I notice a lot of red fruits around this coffee. It's very good. At the same time, it's leaning towards a red grape kind of note and has a very good mouthfeel with it. Sweetness kind of reminds me of a bit like a raisin-esque kind of taste. At the same time, there's this back end of a cocoa or cacao note that's turning into a very chocolatey finish. Always remember, the best coffee is the coffee that you enjoy. Let us know how you enjoy this coffee. Cheers, and don't stop brewing.